guys, so the first thing we are going to start with is shaking the acrylic paint and squirt a line of paint onto the paintbrush and begin painting on the mason jar. It doesn't matter where you start, so whatever you want to do, you can do first. You are going to keep doing this until the first layer of coat of paint is on the mason jar. As shown here, we are going to paint the bottom too. You don't have to, but I decided to. And when you are done, you can flip it over and let it dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't take long. And then when the bottom dries, you will begin painting the top sides, the rims of the mason jar. And you're going to also do that as the first coat. When you are done with that, and then we will start with the second coat. It's always good to have a second coat so that it is very neat and organized. So I'm putting on the second coat and it's going to be the same. You can do the sides, the bottoms, and the rims. This is the last step that is coming up, and you will be grabbing your sandpaper and begin sanding the mason jar. What I did was did a little bit on everywhere. I did not do it too much so that the paint job is doing good too. So I only did a couple words and some blank spaces, but you can do whatever you want to do. You can look at more old-fashioned, or you can just leave it as it is without sanding it. So I did 3 mason jars and I wanted it for my room, but you guys do not have to do 3. You guys can only do 1, you can do 10, however many you guys wanted. And so I am doing purple and gray next, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and yeah. So these are my finishing touches. They looked really good when they all dried up and sanded up. And I just put school materials and other stuff in it because that's what I wanted it for. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you guys had a great time doing this with me. And thanks for watching.